Bilai Kango Nungjaknai Twini Biyalno Cherwi Naiwikha Mdc Utpal Debbarma Christopher Bidan Sabha Kendra Bising Khobjangnai 18 Mura ADC Village ni Council ni Bising Khobjangnai Bilai Thanglai Su Thogya Amchai aro tongnai rok jora kolongma romui Nungjaknai Twini Biyalno kalai tongkha amchai lukurok ni koksil chamung waire wai twirenai department tai lukuti phangrokno samani yagulobo tabuk jora aboni solution ingya abo singya tabuk je twino borok nungi ma tongo amobo salbrum manja angmani bagai salbrum man thunani tai quality ganang twi man thunani sanlaika borok khobnani thangi salbrum jongjal a jongjal no kokno khnaoino pha salo 11 moharani ADC kendro ni MDC Utpal Debbarma Cherwi Naiwikha amchai lukurok bai kok salai puja bakhago bo mungya kami DWS department thangai arni officer rok bai baksa kok saka ulo amchai lukurok no twi rumani dabuni halogrok no twi kok thum nakha ulo department ni officer rok no logio twi bo Bilai Kang amchai thangai amchai lukurok bai bo kok saka korni gongma jongjal rok no lukurok ni thugo khanaka yang amchai lukurok te kok siljalaika tabuni MLA eba hasta hapani khorcha montri khono board ni somoyo simi borok no nugo uloke borok ni jongjalo grei ni kok siljalaika MDC ni obake Bilai Kang kamio thangai nai mano nugui amchai ni lukurok bisingo kaisa ketal khatungmani nukjakha borok kha khlaio jora kisani bisingo nungjaknai ti kaham manana nai tabung nai thengka ti kaham da manno MDC Utpal Debbarma naimani yagulo.
As per our scheduled program, today we came here in Bilai Kang Para, which is under Atramura VC. It is around 25 kilometers from the main road, Asamagotla road. To reach here, we took minimum 2 hours on foot. Probably when we return, since it is hilly area, we may take even more than 3.5 hours. The roads are pathetic. There is no current, no water here. But the main reason why we came here is to give every household a clean drinking water. DWS engineers are also here with me. Their staff is also here with me. Around 300 meters, if I am not wrong, there is a water source there. From there, around 25 meters above, there is another source of water. So step by step, they will be collecting the water. From there, it will be pumped to the uppermost of this village through this solar panel, since there is no current here, and water will be distributed in all the households. Now I have discussed with the SDO, Mongya DWS. He assured us that within 1 month this will be completed, and by the grace of God, if we can complete this, I hope within 1 month or after 1 month, every household will have clean drinking water. This is our main aim and objective.